Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be demonstrating the process of adding funds to your sales media account. So let's get started. To begin, open up Salezmedia's homepage in any web browser. After the page has loaded, you must first create a sales media account by signing up. You can find the link to this video in the description box below. Once you have successfully logged in, you will need to navigate from the New Order page to the Add Funds page. On the Add Funds page, you will be presented with a variety of payment options, although the most commonly used methods are Paytm and PhonePe. In our upcoming video, we will be providing a step-by-step guide on how to use both of these payment methods to add funds to your sales media account.